The Anykuu microphone is just plug and play. So it's got that cord that you just plug into the microphone, and then you just plug it into the computer. So that's how easy it is. It also has a metal casing on the front, and you can remove it, clip it on, or clip it off. There is a port under there for a headphone jack. So if you're playing games, you can plug in your headphones and listen to that. And the cover just clips on really easy. Okay, we're just going to plug this in to the computer. It's the USB. Hi guys, I'm just testing out the Anykuu microphone USB kit, and all I did was plug it into the computer and it's easy to work. So it's got a cord attached to it, going from the microphone, and all you have to do is plug it into a USB port at the back of your computer or laptop. Now, it pretty much, I didn't do anything after that, but you can go and adjust the settings if you like to up the volume or anything you like. Um, I'm holding it in my hand at the moment because it needs to be brought up to your mouth. Some people have it sitting on a box or something like that. I'll show you. It's quite lightweight, and I was going to put it on one of those microphone arms, and then I could just move it around. So as you can see, when you move it away, you don't get the same quality of recording. You need to be closer to it. So this is because it's not recording the sound that's here, like just at a distance. It's not recording. So if you've got a fan going, which I have, you won't be able to hear it because it's just getting the sound from the immediate area. Also, it has a jack here to plug in your headset if you want to hear. If you're gaming or whatever, you can plug your headphones in. And it also has a mute button on top here, so you can just. The problem is when you do touch it, you can't hear me talking, so it cuts off immediately. There we go. So if you want to shut off your microphone pretty quickly, all you have to do is touch it. Like, it is so touchy, it's not funny. Anything else? I like the fact that it just plugged and played for sure. There's definitely something easy for someone to install. You didn't have to muck around with any settings or anything like that. Um, it does compare to the expensive microphones, as in the quality of the audio is pretty good. And I've tested it on a couple of things. Like, I recorded through Canva. That's editing software. You can record voice there. It was very nice and clear. Then at this point right now, I'm using the ice cream video recorder to record a video. So I've tested it through a couple of ways, and it worked without me changing any settings. I noticed in Canva it was a lot louder. That just might be the program settings. So that's as simple as that. So if you want to up the volume, just go into the settings of the program that you're using to record. It came with an instruction booklet. Not that I needed it at all, because it says to plug it in. It does give Windows 10 instructions in there, but I didn't need any instructions. So as soon as I plugged it in, I went to record and it was already registered there as a microphone. No installing whatsoever. So that's one good thing about it. That's actually my favourite thing about it because I didn't have to do anything. According to the reviews on Amazon, everyone seems to like it. I think it's got over a 4-star rating on Amazon, and the price was fantastic compared to other microphones. So if you're just starting out, it's a great piece to buy. Instead of spending, $200, $300 on a microphone, this is quite cheap. I mean, I don't know how much it is in your country because the prices change, but I think it was, around $50 mark in Australia or something like that. So it was pretty good. All right. Yep. If you're interested, click on the link in the description down below to check it out. Go and check it out. That's all I can say. Okay. See you later.